Welcome to another edition of Smalltalk for You. This morning I wanted to go over a change in ObjectStudio that's happened over the last release. If you go into the application loader, which I'll bring up to the front here, you notice there are now two things for ODBC. One, ODBC, which is the one you would normally have loaded in the past if you wanted to use that kind of connectivity, and ODBC via EXDI. Now, if you haven't been using VisualWorks, you're not familiar with what that means. What that means is Syncom has replaced the underpinnings of the ODBC connection with the framework in VisualWorks, as opposed to trying to maintain two of them. Now, they haven't obsoleted this, but I guess that's probably their plan. The thing that's interesting about this is that if you've used this old legacy connection, what you're going to do is you're going to look for something like this. Let's go and find a class, and I'm going to go look for ODBC connection. Now, one of the things you'd expect to find if you had loaded the old stuff is a class called ODBC connection in the namespace ObjectStudio. You'd also expect to find a class called SAG SQL, which is not here anymore. So if you load this new stuff, you're going to have to rewrite any database framework you have to use this new framework they've got. It's not actually completely new. Like I said, it's based on the VisualWorks stuff. But they do still have the old stuff in. Now, one caveat I should add for you is this. Let's go back to the loader. So we'll go File, Load Application. I was talking to Syncom support because we're having an issue with this in the upgrade we're doing where I work, between getting one of these two things to work. You shouldn't load both of these into the same image. Apparently, there are conflicts. So load one or load the other. Do not load both unless you're just examining. Do not expect it to all work if you load both. So that's about it for today. Until next time, have fun with Smalltalk.